On the modern battlefield, speed, precision, and coordination are everything. From the Zaporizhzhia sector to the rear of the operation zone, Russian forces continue applying pressure that never stops, from coordinated tank strikes and airborne offensive operations to the simultaneous destruction of enemy supply lines moving by both air and ground. In the Zaporizhzhia region, two coordinated operations unfolded almost simultaneously, with equally decisive results. T-72B3 tank crews of the Vostok Forces Group launched a strike that began from the air, with reconnaissance drones sweeping the area first to identify camouflage bunkers and enemy force concentrations inside them, before coordinates were relayed to the tank unit, which immediately moved into firing position and released a series of precision rounds in rapid succession until all defensive bunkers and their equipment were destroyed. In the same sector, Rosgvardiya drone operators conducted a similar mission through a different approach, successfully identifying a 120mm mortar position, concealed with great care inside a forested area, a position specifically designed to evade aerial detection, but not enough to deceive systematic drone reconnaissance. Once coordinates were confirmed, FPV drones were deployed and struck the mortar position directly. Objective control system footage confirmed a precise hit, ensuring the 120mm mortar and all its equipment will never operate again in that forest area.
Я проверяю, Мар. Подтянули. Все.
North of the Veselyanka settlement, assault groups of the Novorossiysk Guards Mountain Unit of the airborne forces launched an active offensive operation with full support from drone crews operating above the assault area to monitor enemy movements and lock defensive positions in real time. The assault group successfully improved their positions on the front line significantly. An advance achieved not through a single large strike, but through planned and coordinated offensive pressure between ground forces and drone units, proving that Russian forces continue moving forward step by step without giving the enemy any opportunity to stabilize their defenses. Strike drone operators of the Vostok Forces Group successfully disrupted enemy attempts to supply their forward positions along the contact line. Aerial reconnaissance detected a logistics convoy moving using two delivery systems simultaneously. Heavy Baba Yaga hexacopters carrying payloads through the air alongside unmanned ground robotic platforms moving toward the front line at the same time. But before any of them could reach their destination, strike drone operators had already locked all targets and launched strikes that destroyed both the hexacopters and the ground robotic platforms along with all their cargo, severing the active supply line and ensuring not a single shipment reached enemy forward positions in that sector. In the rear area of the operation zone, assault personnel of the Ulyanovsk Guards Airborne Assault Unit began an intensive combat training program under experienced instructors, The primary focus of this training was the use of motorized vehicles across a wide operational spectrum, ranging from surprise strikes into enemy rear areas, rapid ammunition delivery to the front line, and evacuation of wounded personnel from direct contact zones. In addition, these winged infantry soldiers sharpened their skills in assault group operations to seize and hold strategic defensive positions, ensuring every soldier deployed to the front line is fully prepared to face any combat scenario that may arise on the battlefield. As always, thank you for watching and exploring the world of military operations, strategic maneuvers, and advanced technology with us. We hope today's report gave you valuable insight into the evolving nature of modern warfare and the dedicated soldiers who serve on the front line.